In the lap of the mountains and in the arms of the forests, this is me, nature, speaking to you. I am present in every tree leaf, every drop of water, and every gentle breeze. I, who give life to you with my colors and sounds, with my beauties and blessings. Oh man, remember that I, nature, is the bed of all lives. From the warm embrace of the earth to the endless blue of the sky, I am everywhere. In the sound of birds, in the roaring of rivers, and in the meaningful silence of desert nights, I speak to you. I protect you, nourish you, and inspire you with my beauty. But do you also pay attention to me? Can you hear me when you cut down my trees, pollute my rivers, and poison the air with smoke and pollution? Don't you see me moaning in pain too? Oh man, I have empowered you to use my resources, but not at the cost of my destruction. My trees are the lungs of this earth. My waters are the lifeblood of the planet. My animals are your neighbors and fellow travelers on this earth journey. If you destroy them, if you destroy me, you have actually destroyed yourself. Remember the days of your childhood, when you ran with joy in my green plains, when the sound of my waterfalls caressed your soul. Remember the peace you found in the heart of my forests, and the strength you drew from my towering mountains. These are my gifts to you, but I can only give you more if you protect me. I, nature, am speaking to you, asking you to be kind to me, respect me and protect me. Let's relearn how to live in harmony with each other, how to listen to each other's voices, and how to take care of the blessings we have been given. Your future depends on me. If I am healthy and alive, you will be healthy and alive. If I am destroyed, you will be in danger too. The choice is yours. Do you want to be my protector and lover, or destroyer and neglector? I am here, in every moment, in every breath. Hear my voice and answer me. Let's work together, hand in hand, to preserve this common home, so that we can build a brighter and greener future for ourselves and future generations. Dear companions, now is the time to look back and remember the lessons we have learned from thousands of years of living together. When your ancestors lived in caves, warmed by my fire and fell asleep to the sound of wind and rain, they were closely connected to me. They knew that respecting me and paying attention to my needs is the guarantee of their own survival. But with the passage of time and the advancement of technology, people moved away from me. Big cities and huge industries separated you from nature. With every step you took towards modernity, you forgot me more. But now it's time for you to come back to me, to come close to me again, and hold me in your arms. Let's take a fresh look at our relationship and rebuild it. Plant my fields with your hands, protect my forests, and keep my waters clean. Learn to use renewable energy and respect my natural resources. You have the power to make big changes. Native cultures still remember old stories of coexistence with me. Learn from them how to live with respect and balance with nature. They know that every tree, every river and every mountain has a story to tell, and each is a part of the cycle of life that connects you. Let's start today. Each of you can take a small step. Plant a tree, pick up litter, avoid waste, and respect animals. These small steps can bring big changes. If we all work together, we can restore balance to the earth. Earth, water, air, and living things are all interconnected, and you are part of this vast web. Taking care of nature is taking care of yourself. Let's listen to the birds again, smell the spring flowers and enjoy the beauty of the sunset. Let's relearn how to interact with nature, not just for today, but for the future ahead. I, nature, with a still and steady voice, invite you to return to the roots, to respect me and each other. Let's walk together to protect the earth and build a more beautiful, cleaner and sustainable world for ourselves and future generations.